The Ninja Double Stack XL Countertop Oven and Air Fryer is easy to use and a versatile appliance. But let's go over some helpful tips and tricks to get the best food outputs and how to keep your Ninja Double Stack XL Countertop Oven and Air Fryer clean. Your Ninja Double Stack XL Countertop Oven and Air Fryer comes with a quick start and inspiration guide and instruction booklet. These are great resources for any questions you have about using the product or maintenance information. Now let's dive in and go over some tips and tricks to help ensure you get the best results when using your Ninja Double Stack XL Countertop Oven and Air Fryer. If you are using both ovens at the same time, add a few more minutes of cook time to each oven. Cook times when using both ovens will be longer than just using one, so it's always a good idea to watch your food while cooking. When cooking raw dough using Smart Finish, only put in your dough after the oven has preheated. Leaving the dough in the oven during preheat may lead to overcooking. When using accessories, Ninja recommends greasing them with recommended cooking oil or covering them with parchment paper or aluminum foil before placing food on top. An important note is when using parchment paper or aluminum foil, cut to size of accessory. The parchment paper or aluminum foil should not touch any of the heating elements or the inside oven walls, as it could cause smoke. Do not use parchment paper on broil or above the recommended manufacturer's instructions. It is recommended to spray the air fry basket with non-stick cooking spray to minimize sticking. Another great tip to reduce mess is using the crumb tray in both the top and bottom ovens. When air frying, place the sheet pan with the wire rack below the air fry basket to catch food droppings. Now let's talk about cleaning your oven once the cooking process is complete. To deep clean your unit, start by unplugging the unit from the outlet and allow it to cool down before cleaning. Then, remove all accessories from the unit, including the crumb tray, and wash separately. Use a non-abrasive cleaning brush to more thoroughly wash the air fry basket. Accessories are hand wash recommended. The air fry basket and wire racks can be put in the dishwasher, but may wear more quickly over time. Do not place sheet pan or crumb tray in the dishwasher. After every use, wipe away any food splatter on the interior walls and glass door of the unit with a soft, damp sponge. Apply the cleanser to the sponge, not the oven surface, before cleaning. To clean the exterior of the main unit and the control panel, wipe them clean with a damp cloth. A non-abrasive liquid cleanser or mild spray solution may be used. Caution: never put the main unit in the dishwasher or immerse it in water or any other liquid. To remove tough grease, let the sheet pan soak overnight in warm, soapy water. Then wash with a non-abrasive sponge or brush. Lastly, thoroughly dry all parts before placing them back in the oven.